Hey guys. Welcome to Fantas Tech. We're going to check it out the Apple Watch Sport Loop today. Talking about the designs. The Sport Loop bands are designed for comfortable and breathable. It is very comfortable. And it's something you'll only really notice after a few days. Casual yet versatile. They look great in general and are a bit more versatile than the sport bands, which can also blend into a smart casual outfit pretty well. It's not as professional as leather, but it'd only really stand out in a bad way in a proper suit. Easy to take on and off. Self-explanatory. Easy to wrap around things. Found a regular use for this in cases. Wrapping around my phone whenever about to take a shower at the gym. You can wrap the watch around iPhone with the watch face along the back, so don't have to worry about it scratching the phone's screen. It's also a lot easier to find in the gym bags when they're both together. Wrapping around the battery pack while charging. This is very useful if you need to charge Apple Watch and put it in a bag, while you can still secure it with a sport band. I did for years. It's much easier with the other bands. You can sweat while working out with this band, and it dries very quickly thanks to the tiny loops. One of the biggest complaints about Apple's sport band is that sweat can get trapped under the band. The Nike version of the sport band tries to solve that by having lots of holes in the band, but that still isn't a perfect solution. With the Sport Loop, unlike the sport band, I never really noticed sweat. I do notice that the Sport Loop will get a little damp as it absorbs sweat, but then it dries out pretty quickly. I haven't tried swimming with the Sport Loop, but I have gotten it completely drenched in a sink. The nylon band absorbed a small amount of water, but not enough to feel like it was getting heavy. Nothing like a wet cotton cloth rag. And it dries pretty quickly once your arm is out of the water. Soft, breathable, and lightweight. The Sport Loop features a hook and loop fastener for quick and easy adjustment. The double-layer nylon weave has dense loops on the skin side that provide soft cushioning while allowing moisture to escape. On the reverse side, the attachment loops are securely anchored for superior durability. Let's enjoy it.